Hey guys, how you doing? I wanted to shoot a video today. I have my camera, my SD cards have been down. My computer's been being kind of crazy on me, so I haven't been able to release any videos last week or week and a half. Seems like forever for me, because I'm always trying to shoot video on my jobs and stuff. But yeah, so today we have a few calls we're heading out to. Got a no cooling call. Okay, so we come up here to the condensing unit up on the roof, and just the fan is on, so it doesn't sound like the compressor's on. We have a hard start and a dual run capacitor. Let's double check and make sure we have power to everything we need. Good capacitor, good hard start. We'll see what's going on there. We've got good power to the compressor. The compressor's just not wanting to start. It's not shorted to ground, but it's definitely receiving power. There's no low pressure switches anywhere. So everything looks fine on the compressor as far as power getting to it and everything. Ohmed it out. Everything ohms out fine. We'll check the pressures, standing pressures on the system. Other than that, it's got a hard start on it and it's not wanting to go. So we have no refrigerant in the system, which means there's probably no oil in the system. And like I said, no pressure, no like low pressure switches or anything going on in there. So yeah, no pressure and a compressor that's not happy. Okay, first call is done, and so as you can see, we're doing some troubleshooting as to why the compressor wouldn't start up. And being that it has no refrigerant would be a good reason why that compressor has locked up and doesn't want to go anymore. So they're weighing their options of repair versus replace. Here's the house as we're going by it. You can see the air conditioning units up on top of the roof where the old swamp cooler used to be. There's some electrical running there. Refrigerant line kind of stubs out of the rooftop. So maybe I think I have some pictures that I took. Hopefully I can show those to you guys. But not a lot of room to work with. Also, combustion air is kind of an issue in there too. I don't see a lower combustion. You need upper and lower combustion air for any closet that's in. There's a water heater in there as well. So there's a lot of questions for me on that job. There's a couple questions that I need to ask the code inspector before I take that job. Of course, I want to take every job that comes to me, but I also don't want to put a system in and not have it pass, and then I'm kind of screwed. The homeowners were like, "Hey, well, it passed inspection 20 years ago when they put it in with the combustion air, I was like, yeah, absolutely. And sometimes things change over time. 20 years is a long time, and perhaps I think Elk Grove was in the county of Sacramento at the time, and now it's the city of Elk Grove. So they've incorporated, and perhaps Elk Grove is a little bit more, I don't know, just has different standards now as far as combustion air and all that stuff. So